Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to talk about something pretty cool. You know that thing that recommends videos to you? Well, what if I told you it could also be your personal math tutor? Yeah, we're diving into how the AI you use every day is about to become your best study buddy.
Okay, you know that moment, right? You're scrolling, watching videos, and then bam! The next one that pops up is exactly what you were thinking of. It's kind of spooky, almost like it's reading your mind. But is it magic or is something else going on?
Nope, not magic. It's artificial intelligence, or AI. That's the secret sauce, the engine running behind the scenes on all the smart tech we love. And today, we're going to see how that very same power can supercharge the way you learn, especially when it comes to math.
All right, so let's get on the same page. When we say AI, I want you to forget all the crazy sci-fi movies with talking robots. The AI we're talking about today is way more practical, and it's already a huge part of your life.
So what is it then? At its core, AI is just about making computers smart. Smart enough to think, learn, and solve problems. Kind of like we do. It's like teaching a machine to look at tons of information, find the patterns, and then make a smart guess or a decision all on its own.
And trust me, you use this stuff all the time, probably without even thinking about it. That predictive text on your phone that finishes your sentences, that's AI. Those YouTube recommendations we just talked about, AI. Even stuff like Google Translate or your calculator. Yep, that's AI at work too.
Really, the best way to picture AI is like having a super smart assistant. And the cool part is, it's always learning. The more you use it, the more data it gets, and the better it becomes at helping you out. It's designed to just keep getting smarter and smarter.
And you want to know what powers this smart assistant? It's all built on a foundation of three things: math, tons and tons of data, and clever rules for finding patterns. That's the secret recipe. And it's that math connection that makes it so amazing for learning.
Okay, so let's switch gears. We know AI is great for YouTube, but what about school? Well, AI is starting to become this incredible study partner for students all over the world, giving them totally new ways to tackle tough subjects.
And these aren't some far-off future tools. They're here, right now. I bet you've heard of ChatGPT, right? It's amazing for breaking down big, complicated ideas into simple terms. Or Google Lens, where you can literally just take a picture of a problem and get help. And then there are tools like Mathway that are designed just for math, giving you every single step.
Now this is super important. AI is not here to replace your teachers. No way. Think of it more like a sidekick. It's a tool that works with your teacher. It's like having a tutor available 24/7, right when you get stuck.
All right, let's get down to business. How can you actually use AI to get better at math? Let's walk through the best way to do it.
It's actually a really simple three-step process. First, you just pop in your math problem or your question. Step 2, you look at the solution it gives you, step by step. But here's the real learning. Step 3, you have to ask more questions. If a step doesn't make sense, ask it, "Hey, can you explain that differently?" The real goal here is to get the why behind the answer.
Just think about it. Your own personal math assistant can explain a tricky concept like, fractions or algebra in 5 different ways until it finally clicks for you. It can create practice quizzes focused on exactly what you need help with, and the best part, you get feedback instantly, not a week later when you get your homework back.
So with all this amazing power at your fingertips, there's one thing you've got to remember. You are in charge. The AI is just the tool. You're the driver. I really like this way of thinking about it. AI is like a super fast car. It can get you to your destination really, really quickly, but you're still the one in the driver's seat. You decide where to go. You do the steering. You are in control of your own learning.
So, when you're using this powerful tool, what's the number one most important thing to remember?
It's this. Always focus on understanding the why behind the answer. Don't just look for the solution at the end. Getting the answer is easy. The real learning, the stuff that actually sticks in your brain, comes from understanding the process. Why did they do that step? Why does that formula work? That's where the good stuff happens.
So use these tools. Be curious. Ask questions. But remember, you're the boss of your own learning. Because when you use AI the right way, math stops being this scary, confusing thing, and it becomes a language.
a language you can actually speak with confidence.